You're seeing progress flying backward for the first time, flying backward and getting up in the world. It's the helicopter, forerunner of new and better things to come in aircraft. Here rides one of the greater achievements in the limitless science of aviation. A craft that flies forward, backward, sideways, rises and drops like an elevator. It turns as easily as your car. The time's not far when this baby will be floating just a few feet above the ocean surface, sighting Nazi subs and sinking them. It can hover stationary over one spot for any period. Those rotors just keep going and the helicopter stands still. Yes, sir, and it knows a good parking spot when it sees it. Wouldn't you like to drop your buggy into that tough parking space? This edition picks its spot and drops right in. Pushing the conventional stick forward increases the effective pitch of the rotor blades as they pass over the tail and decreases them as they pass over the nose. The stick can move in any position. The rudder pedals increase or decrease the pitch in the tail rotor, giving directional control. The collective pitch control incorporates the throttle, which operates motorcycle style. Well, here we go again, up with a potential rate of climb of nearly 1,000 feet a minute. This helicopter can rise to a ceiling of better than 15,000 feet with only a 165 horsepower engine. Now here's an obliging pilot. His passenger says, "Drop me here like a good fellow, will you, chum?" That's a great idea, this helicopter, and it works. Steps along at a brisk pace when it wants to get places. The extent of its uses is boundless. Perhaps you can suggest a few more. Shoot 'em in. We'll have the helicopter pick 'em up.